Hello guys, let's make slime. So the ingredients are very simple. You need glue, you need equator, like your clothing soap, and a bowl and any favorite nail colors and a mixer for sure. So the very first step is you open your glue and add it in the bowl, as much you want. Oopsies. That's how it should look. After that you add your equator. Let me tell you what time. Still on it. 25 hours later, still on it. Okay, afterwards, mix it. Oops, I ran out of it. So guys, this is how it looks so far. Ran out number 3. Guys, this is how it looks so far. Guys, keep on mixing, as this is improving. And that's exactly how you make your slime at home. And it works.